Hi mga UVG, ako ulit. Kamusta kayo dyan? So, tingnan natin kung anong energy update sa ating mga UVG Collective. Gusto ko po palang magpasalamat sa mga new subscriber natin dyan at saka sa mga returning subscriber. Thank you po sa suporta, sa mga likers, commentators. Thank you so much po, highly appreciated. Nakakaganang magbasa pag nakikita kong um, make sense ang ginagawa ko. Okay, so thank you so much po. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate today, by the way, better luck next time po. Okay, baka po energy niyo na masagap ko. Nine of Swords. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate today, thank you po in advance. Okay, so Nine of Swords, sinong hindi makatulong? Merong sleepless nights dito, Virgo, overthinking the situation or overthinking with someone. Either way. So, tingnan natin. Pero merong good news. Nakita ko yung Page of Wands. Hierophant card. Moon card. Nakita ko yung Moon card. Justice card. Meron bang revelation, Virgo, na nag-overthink ka? Or meron kang na-discover? Kaya ka nag-overthink? O merong someone dito na naka-discover kaya nag-overthink? Hindi ko alam kung kanino energy to. Maaaring sa person na connected sa'yo or ikaw or sa environment mo, Virgo. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay? So, let's see. Seven of Pentacles. The Death card, wow. Star, sorry. Queen of Wands. So, ang update ngayon, Virgo. Energy update today is harvest. Invest. Laking transformation to that card. Or for some of you, merong star, di ba? Ayokong sabihin to, pero Eight of Pentacles. Two of Cups. Knight of Wands. In the workplace, Virgo. For some of you, Queen of Wands pa rin. Star card. Someone is merong isang person dito na merong new naka-gain, nakakita ng new perspective sa sitwasyon. Bakit ko nasabi 'yan? With the Star card, I think someone is seeing you as corny to pakinggan, Virgo. You are a good investment here. Kasi gusto ko sanang sabihin kanina parang hulog ka ng langit or you're sent from above. Kaya parang corny pakinggan. So, yun na lang sasabihin ko na parang feeling ko someone is watching you and good investment. May nakakakita, Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, good investment, Virgo. The Death card. Big transformation for you and for this another person. Hindi ko alam kung sino tong another person, but with the Two of Cups, there is something another person here. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na ikaw to. Nandito ka na, included ka na eh. Sinabi ko ng merong someone dito na nag-iisip na you are a good investment. Or maybe ikaw nag-iisip na or gusto mong mag-attempt na mag-invest. Not in a financial way, maybe it can be financially, emotionally. Kasi Two of Cups, bebe. Meron tayong Two of Cups. Okay. Together with the Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands is make things done. Tell me what you want, I'll tell what you want. Parang yun kind of energy. But with the Two of Cups, equal give and take. Hindi to one-sided. Okay. Both of you is equally give and take. Kung ano yung amount na binigay sa'yo ng isa, lalamangan mo pa, or kung ano yung binigay mo, lalamangan ng isa. Kind of energy. So, this is not one-sided. But at the same time, nagtataka ako. Okay, kung merong someone dito sees you like star po to, star card, itong nasa gitna. Hindi ko po binuksan kasi baka ma-restrict po ako. Star card upright. Okay. Alam niyang there is a big transformation ang magaganap. Apat na corner ng buhay ng person na to or ikaw. If you are willingly. Queen of Wands, fire energy. Like this person is on fire. Nakikita niya ang daming potential. Go-getter, very flexible, laughing, fiery, funny, goofy kind of energy. Okay. Let's see more. Love is on the air sa'yo, Virgo, this week or this whole month, in fairness. Okay. Mabenta ang Two of Cups sa'yo, the lovers, decision making, or maybe you are attracting someone na may baggages din or learning something, lesson. Okay. And I think paras kayo or maybe graduate ka na. And this person is graduate na. But we'll see. Pero meron dito isang person na talagang good investment ka para sa person na to. Alam niyang merong equal give and take. If ever. Kaya this person is going to rush in. Okay, communication. Make things done. We'll see. Seven of Wands, 7-7. Ten of Swords, okay. Going through a lot. Dark Night of the Soul, Ten of Swords, hit rock bottom, stabbing in the back, cheating, lying, stealing, cheating, lying, na over and over and over. Pero, still standing. Seven of Wands, ayaw nang maulit or gusto nang mag-break free sa cycle. Okay. But there is only one thing about this person. Or maybe there is one thing you want, Virgo. Ay, my God. Ba't ka galit? Five of Cups. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Para ba yung nararamdaman ko na eh. Based on experience to. Six of Pentacles. King of Cups. The Hangman. Chariot card. Sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, ayaw lang ng person na to na ma-repeat ang cycle kasi hindi ganun kadali ang mag-go through sa proseso, pero meron siyang feeling na you are a good investment, that you are a good person, hardworking person, generous person, but at the same time with the Five of Cups, meron siyang doubt, okay? Or maybe ikaw ang nagda-doubt. Pero this person, in any way, shape, or form, unstoppable to, okay? Magpipresent to ng affection, but being a generous person, true being a generous person. Ipipresent niya ang self niya dito as a very generous person, which is totoo naman, very genuine. Kung ano yung nakita mo, what you see, what you get in this person's side, okay? Or maybe sa'yo, meron kang mentality ganun, what you see is what you get. Walang mask dito, but with the Hangman, um, may doubt, scarcity mindset. But with the Chariot card, moving forward still, pero nandun yung doubt, nakasakay. Hindi mo naman masisisi kasi with the Death card and the big transformation, this person or maybe ikaw, baka ikaw, you've been through roller coaster, backstabbing, stealing, lying, cheating, over and over and over and over hanggang sa wala nang natira. Okay, and then you surrender, focus on work. Okay, pero someone here is nakikitaan ka ng potential. Okay. Maybe this is the right one for you, Virgo. But merong delay. Pero itong person na to, ipipresent niya ang sarili niya for being generous, which is genuine. Mararamdaman mo ang genuinity. Yung pagka-genuine niya. King of Pentacles, in fairness. The Hermit card. Entrepreneurial mindset, very stable person. We are talking about King. Page of Swords, I'm sorry. Page of Swords is spying and you will feel, Virgo, dito na merong scarcity mindset or merong doubt around this person. Okay. But with the Hermit card, seeking wisdom and knowledge into the situation. The Hermit card, ikaw to analyzing. Magkadikit pati, oh. Analyzing the situation, detecting the situation, generating the situation, breaking down the situation. Every word, every facial expression, movements, wow, grabe, talaga Virgins. You will know, walking lying detector. Okay. Meron kang, once this person or baka na-meet mo na, baka nasa circle mo na, binabaybay mo yung mga binibitawan niyang salita kahapon or ng isang kahapon or nung nakaraan. Basta there is something in that line. Okay na, or maybe nag-review ng conversation dito. But with the Page of Swords, someone is watching you and analyzing you at the same time. Pero itong person na to is king. Kaya lang, meron siyang doubt. Merong cloud, dark cloud sa kanya. Maybe based on experience or maybe ikaw lang to. Na nakikita ng person na to na maganda kang investment but at the same time, meron kang baggages around you. Okay. Baggages. Oh, Ten of Swords. Ten of Wands, responsibility, but at the same time, mastery para sa akin. Okay. What else? The Strength card. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Four of Cups to the Five of Cups. Maybe this person is thinking about rejection or maybe nireject mo na to. Seven of Swords. Very sneaky. If this person, Virgo, is already connected with someone, or maybe you are already connected with someone, at nararamdaman mo merong nag-a-admire sa'yo from afar, this person is already being rejected by you energetically. Nagpapakita ka na dito na you are focusing on your work. You have too much responsibility. You have a lot in your plate. You don't have any time for this. But still, with the King of Pentacles and the King of Cups, still, with the Strength card, hindi to tumatanggap ng no. Magpa-pursue siya pero very patient. Mahaba pasensya nito. tinitingnan niya na lang yung sitwasyon sa iba't ibang anggulo, and meron siyang mentality na kung walang itinanim, walang aanihin. Kung hindi ka magpupursige, wala kang makukuha. Pursuer din ang mentality nito. This is a king. Kings ay merong mga plano yan. Okay. Matagal man pero it will come to pass. Kailangan it will come to pass. Kailangang malaman kung ano ba talaga. Kaya pala merong doubt, parang dark clouds, may doubt ako dito nakikita. Pero ang king is mga sugarol yan. Hindi ko naman sinabi sugarol na tongit. Tongit. Sugal, I mean, mahilig sila mag-take a risk. Okay. And with the King of Cups and the Generosity card na magkatabi, magpapatuloy to. Kahit na merong doubt dito. Baka iniisip niya is walang assurance. Nafe-feel niya na energetically lakas ng rejection mo dito kasi focus ka on responsibility. Focus ka on work. Star card, maybe ikaw ang breadwinner sa pamilya or maybe ikaw ang you are the one who is the provider to Virgo. And itong person na to parang feeling niya parang alpha female or alpha male. No need na you can do it. Okay, Virgo. So, ano pa bang purpose ng person na to? Maybe mentally or emotionally. Kasi nagpapakita ka siguro ng strength dito na masculine and feminine energy at the same time or feminine energy and masculinity at the same time. Kung makita mo tong strength card, taming your inner demon or your inner, like you know what I mean. Hindi siya makafocus. Kaya mo, you are in parang self-control na sinasabi. And you are very focused on work, stability. Ano pa nga ba ang kaya niyang i-offer dito? Pero lalapit pa rin to sa'yo, gagawa ng paraan for being generous, offering something random, anything, small things. But with the Seven of Swords, strategically, titingnan ko anong kasunod ng Seven of Swords. Oh, Ace of Cups. And the Knight of Cups, strategically may crush to sa'yo, Virgo. This is, ang isang card po kasi mapiperceive natin ng ito, Seven of Swords. Ang Seven of Swords is stealing, lying, cheating. Okay. Depende sa katabi. Kung ang katabi niya is, let's just say, pili tayo dito. Ang ganda ng mga sumunod na card, oh. Let's just say, ang katabi niya is the Magician card. For example, manipulator. Meron lang gustong makuha sa'yo. Okay. Seven of Swords. Dikitan mo ng Two of Pentacles. So, ginagamit ka lang. Inaano ka lang na magstay ka sa sitwasyon kasi kailangan ka pa. May pakinabang ka pa. Pag wala ka ng pakinabang, bakit ako maghihirap dito? Na-try ko yung best ko. Nahawakan ka. Wala ka naman ng kwenta sa akin. Okay. Five of Wands. Okay. Mga gaslighting to. Seven of Swords to the Five of Wands. Spreading rumors, chismis na wala dito, wala doon. Okay na, uy, sabi ni ganito, sabi ni ganyan. You know what I mean? Okay, pero ang Seven of Swords, pag pinalibutan mo siya ng good energy, positive card, lalo na 2 beses. Knight of Cups at saka Ace of Cups, Empress card, wow. Virgo, in a good way to. Strategically, this person, Virgo, investment ka sa mata ng person na to at saka merong balak to. Meron siyang balak. Just pay attention sa balak, Virgo. And whatever you might going through right now, if you are the breadwinner of the family or ikaw ang maraming responsibilidad, This person, ang intention niya is to lighten your responsibility. Para po sa mga Virgong hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. But we are talking about kings here. Kings, wala po tayong gender sa energy. Ibig ko po sabihin, stability. Okay. We are talking about long-term, equal give and take with the Two of Cups. As I said kanina, bigay dito. Kung ano yung binigay mo, ibabalik ko sa'yo, emotion man yan, mentally, financially, time, effort. You know what I mean, Virgo? Magandang investment ka sa mata ng person na to, or baka ikaw magandang investment din itong person sa mata mo, but at the same time merong dark clouds between the both of you. Baka kasi sa experiences, okay, with the Ten of Swords, Virgo, every time na nag-gain or pinag-aaralan ka ng person to, every chapter na, every lipat niya ng pages, ang dami niyang na-discover about you, Virgo, which is very interesting for this person. Pero the more na nagdi-dive deep siya sa personality or sa character mo, the more na feeling rejected siya kasi marami siyang mga nakikitang features dito na posibleng i-reject mo siya. Or either way. But this person is tinitingnan niya na lang ang sitwasyon sa magandang or different perspective. Naka-stuck siya, hindi siya makagalaw kasi meron siyang mentality na baka rejection. Pero with the halo here, ang hangman kaya merong halo kasi enlightened siya. Ibig sabihin, stuck man siya physically pero ang vision niya is straightforward. Meron na siyang plan A, plan B at plan C. And for the kings, wala po tayong gender sa energy, mga pursuer sila at mga planner. So, yeah. Together with the Seven of Swords at the bottom of the deck and the Ace of Cups and the King and the Knight of Cups and the Empress card. Page of Pentacles, the World, and the Ten of Pentacles. So that is wonderful, Virgo. Bagong simula with the Judgment card and then, you know, and the Justice card. This is your karma, Virgo. So, that's a good one. Okay, just let me know, Virgo. Time is fluid. Baka naganap na magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyang nagaganap, Virgo. So, just do your own thing. Don't expect, kunyari, hindi mo ako narinig. Or maybe you're going through it right now, Virgo. Just let me know in the comment below. Pero nakita ka talaga ng person na to na malaking potential mo, na you are a good investment, not in a bad way, but investment emotionally long-term, with the Two of Cups, equal give and take. Chemistry is there, emotion is there. Like, you know what I mean? So, yeah. What else? 3 cards na lang. Pero merong doubt, both of you, I think. Hindi lang siya, hindi lang ikaw. Both of you, kasi sa experience. Chariot card, travel towards you para makita ka, very unexpected. And the Knight of Cups, wish fulfilled. Okay, Four of Swords, rest, praying, contemplating about the situation. You will know, Virgo, and you will feel that this person is into you, or nafe-feel niya that there is a rejection. Maybe ikaw ang nakaka-feel ng rejection. Maybe you see yourself is as like parang hindi level, hindi magka-level or something in that line, or maybe this person is thinking about hindi magka-level. But in anyway, shape or form, magpo-pursue pa rin ang sitwasyon, tadhana is papasok, at wala na kayong magagawa. Okay. In a blink of an eye, Virgo. In a blink of an eye. So with the Seven of Swords, very strategic, coming towards you and offering this new beginning, new love, new feeling, Virgo. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice sa aking mga ka-UVG dyan. Wait lang. So, let's see. Ano pong advice? Sana po ay naka-resonate, no? Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Let's see. A new romantic cycle begins. Talaga lang. It's up to you, Virgo. It's up to you. A win-win outcome is in the forecast. Show the world the real you. Definitely, may nakakakita na nga sa'yo dito eh. Kaya nga nakikitaan ka ng potential na you are a good investment when it comes to long-term partnership. Okay, equal give and take. You know what I mean? The answer you need are coming. Okay, nandyan na siya. Parating na. So, it's up to you, Virgo. Congratulations. Either gusto mo pang mag-extend na pag-aralan kung ano man ang dapat na pag-aralan para hindi ka na bumalik sa dating cycle. Or maybe both of you, ganun ang mentality. Kailangan i-decipher ang sitwasyon, i-breakdown ng mabuti para hindi na maulit ang mga hindi na dapat maulit. Okay. So I think you're wise enough and this person is wise enough. We are talking king and queens here. Okay, Virgo. So wala po tayong gender's energy pero ayon po sa advice is a new romantic cycle begins, a win-win outcome is in the forecast, and show the world the real you. Just make sure na wala kang inaapakan tao and you're good. Okay. As I said, clearing the baggages here, Virgo, Death card, and Ten of Swords. Hindi ganun kadali, no? Hindi ganun kadali. But if the two souls is willing to work it out, it will work out. Just believe into the impossible. If it is destined to happen, then it will. Written in the star, we have the star card. It will happen. Okay. Kahit anong pigil mo, pag nakatadhanang mangyari, wala tayong magagawa. Okay. All you need to do is make sure that it will not happen again. Cycle here. And be direct. And show the world the real you, be you. Without any wearing a mask. Virgo. So, let's see. What is the advice? Angel message number, please. 7. Daming 7 ah. 777 Virgo, baka makakita ka ng 777. This is the sign for you. So, we have Queen. Meron kang 171. 717. 777 nga. 717 Virgo, maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Google mo na lang angel message number 717. This is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, Virgo. And bye for now.